welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most exciting electric hypercars of the decade, the 2025 Porsche Mission X. This is Porsche's bold statement for the future of high-performance EVs, and it brings some serious innovations to the table. Let's break down everything you need to know, from its stunning design to the performance numbers that will leave you speechless. Starting with the overall design, the Mission X is a stunning combination of futuristic aerodynamics and Porsche's iconic styling cues. It's low, wide, and aggressive, with a sleek sculpted body that screams speed even when standing still. The front end is dominated by Porsche's signature 4MY LED headlights, integrated into a completely new lighting concept that gives it a distinctive and modern look. The massive air intakes and active aero elements help optimize airflow, ensuring maximum efficiency and downforce at high speeds. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice its dramatic proportions. Short overhangs, massive wheels, and a glass canopy-style cockpit that resembles a race car more than a traditional road-going hypercar. The doors are another standout feature, opening upwards in a Le Mans-style fashion, similar to some of Porsche's legendary race cars. The rear end is just as breathtaking, with a full-width light bar, an aggressive diffuser, and an active wing that adjusts depending on the driving conditions. Inside, the Mission X continues its race-inspired philosophy. The cabin is a perfect blend of luxury and motorsport functionality. Porsche has designed a driver-centered cockpit with a minimalist dashboard, an advanced digital instrument cluster, and a yoke-style steering wheel that enhances the futuristic feel. The use of lightweight materials like carbon fiber and Alcantara keeps the weight down while maintaining a premium feel. The seats are heavily bolstered, designed to hold you firmly in place during high-speed driving. Unlike traditional hypercars, the Mission X doesn't just focus on speed, it also integrates cutting-edge technology, including a state-of-the-art infotainment system, augmented reality displays, and a customizable driving interface that lets you adjust performance settings on the fly. Now let's talk about performance, and this is where things get really exciting. The Mission X is powered by a next-generation all-electric powertrain, featuring a lightweight battery pack strategically placed for optimal weight distribution. Porsche hasn't released exact horsepower figures yet, but it's expected to produce over 1,500 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful electric hypercars in existence. With a lightweight chassis, advanced aerodynamics, and instant electric torque, the Mission X is targeting a Nurburgring lap time that would make it the fastest road-legal car around the iconic track. One of the biggest talking points is its charging technology. Porsche is pushing the boundaries with a 900cc volt system, allowing the Mission X to charge nearly twice as fast as current EV supercars. The goal is to achieve a 10% to 80% charge in under 15 minutes, making it incredibly practical for a high-performance EV. When it comes to pricing, Porsche hasn't officially revealed the numbers yet, but given its exclusivity and performance, it's expected to be well into the seven-figure range. Some estimates suggest it could start around $2 million, putting it in direct competition with the likes of the Rimac Nevera and the Lotus Evija. With limited production, the Mission X will be a collector's dream, likely appreciating in value over time due to its significance in Porsche's history. So, is the 2025 Porsche Mission X the ultimate electric hypercar? It certainly looks like Porsche is setting a new benchmark for EV performance, blending cutting-edge technology with the brand's legendary motorsport heritage.